Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the camera timer on your Redmi K70 Ultra device. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to open up the camera app right here, and then we're going to click on the little arrow on the top of the screen, and we're going to select the timer option. Click on that, and you have 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. So you can change the countdown of the timer, the length of the countdown. So I'm going to select 3 seconds. I'm going to exit out. And then once I click photo, so once I want to take a photo, it will start a 3-second countdown. And once the countdown finishes, the photo is taken. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.